ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the show. Well, it's been a long time, but yeah, shoulder surgery, moving from one place to another place, everything took a lot of time, way more time than expected, and as planned, of course. But yeah, here we are again. There is one or more information, new updates, some things happened. I will start again. Okay, again, I just crossed the red light. That's why you should not do anything else while driving. But yeah, back again. So there are a couple of updates. A little bit progress was there anyway. I'm on my way to the garage, and let's see. We'll show you the progress and the plan for today. All right, see you later. Okay, here we are back in the garage and back at the project. So what you can see is basically a couple of work, a lot of work. There we have LQ4 engine. So all right, let's get back to that later. The progress so far: we have the roll cage installed, new cage. Everything's out so far. Also hydraulic handbrake or fly off, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, that's the current status. I wanted to install those coilovers from my convertible, but they don't fit, and I'm lucky that I stopped driving the convertible, because as you can see, it's already broken on some spots. Oh yeah, that's really bad. So luckily I didn't take the convertible out for much more drives. It was fun, but yeah. So I stripped it, took all the parts I need, and sold the rest. It was only scrap mainly left. And then let's get back to the project, to the idea. So this is the LQ4 engine, but it will take lots of more time to install it, to find all the necessary parts that it fit. So I decided, because the season is almost over, there are 2 months more or something like this, to drive around until it gets too hot outside. So for this season I decided to take out the Lexus V8 from my convertible, swap it in, as it was already installed on my E36 before. Yeah, just to save some time and hopefully have some fun, at least for 1 month before it's too hot outside. And next season I will start with the LQ4 or something else. Okay, so for today, the plan for today is cutting off all those unnecessary areas and get some more space in the front. And also, even if it's not really necessary for the 1UZ from the Lexus or Toyota, I will cut the tunnel, open up the tunnel, just to have some more space for further projects and more, for maintenance or whatever comes up. It's always good to have some more space. All right, so far for the plan for today. I will change my clothes, get the angle grinder, and get started. See you later.
Get on the we are here to give you more.
Come on, baby girl, let's ride to this year. All around the world, I'll be blasting this year. I know you like the bands, come on, bring your friends here. I got a couple of homies who just got here, so
Hypnotic, fresh and funky. This beat has totally got me. My body's so relaxed, I will never let you back.
come on, baby girl, let's get it
come
going on. I'ma hit the highway and do it my way. It ain't no game, girl, so
Come on,
I
baby.
don't play games. I keep it up straight, right up in your face. So make your mind up, cause life is
come
too
on.
short. I got the best on, boy, put your belt on. Stop acting all cool like Kanye West, boy. You be riding through the wire and the camera get on fire. You don't want that, no, I don't want that, no. This goes out to pimps and chicks, so slow. Hit the backseat when you're doing the licking, kissing, squeezing. Do the damn thing, man. Glasses all tinted, so no one.
Alright, done for today. So far, pretty nice progress. Cut out everything what I wanted to cut out today. Also placed the 1EZ engine inside. It fits pretty good. It was easier to install together with gearbox thanks to opening up the tunnel. So next step would be getting new engine mounts and take off the oil pan of the engine, checking some conrod and main bearings just to make sure everything is fine. And then it's time to get the engine inside and the wiring. Yes, wiring will be the next step. I think that's something I can do tomorrow for a couple of time. No, not tomorrow. Next week, yeah. Next week is also Emirates Drift Challenge in Abu Dhabi. So look out for another video and some nice shots. It's, I think, the finals already. It's gonna be fine. Yeah, so wiring, engine mount, getting some sheet metal and close everything I need to close. Yeah, then it's pretty much done, the worst things. So a little bit painting, installing the seats, a new steering wheel, suspension, new coilovers, everything, angle kit, radiator. I broke the old one today, and yeah, let's see. Alright, gentlemen, but for today I'm off. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye.